On September 11, 1893, Swami Vivekananda delivered his landmark speech at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago, aimed at fostering dialogue among different religions and cultures. Representing Sanatan Dharma, he began by addressing the audience as "my American brothers and sisters," which earned him a standing ovation. In his speech, Vivekananda emphasized that India values and respects all religions, asserting that Hinduism embraces religious diversity. His message extended beyond religious tolerance to include humanity and love, and he advocated the principle that the whole world is one family. Vivekananda's address significantly enhanced global awareness and respect for Sanatan Dharma and Indian culture, shaping the course of his life's work and ideas. On September 11, 1965, during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1965, the Indian Army captured Burki, a city near Lahore in Pakistan. This war was primarily over Jammu and Kashmir, with Pakistan's Operation Gibraltar aiming to incite rebellion in the region. In response, India launched a significant military offensive. The 7th Infantry Division attacked Burki, located just 13 kilometers from Lahore, to exert pressure on the city and compel Pakistani forces to retreat. Despite facing challenges, the Indian Army successfully took control of Burki. The war lasted 22 days, and following the ceasefire, the Tashkent Agreement led to the return of Burki and other captured territories of Pakistan. On September 11, 1906, Mahatma Gandhi launched his first Satyagraha campaign in South Africa. Addressing 3,000 Indians in Johannesburg, he introduced a strategy of non-violent resistance against racist policies. The catalyst for this movement was a new law mandating registration for people of Indian origin. Gandhi advocated non-violence as a means of protest against the discriminatory legislation. The struggle, which lasted 7 years, saw many Indians imprisoned by the British authorities for participating in strikes, refusing to register, burning registration cards, and engaging in demonstrations. Gandhi's efforts were instrumental in challenging and eventually weakening the apartheid policies in South Africa. Muhammad Ali Jinnah died on September 11, 1948. He was the founder and the first Governor General of Pakistan. Jinnah began his political career with the Indian National Congress, initially advocating for Hindu-Muslim unity and collaborating with Gandhi in the Indian freedom struggle. However, his views shifted over time, leading him to believe that Hindus and Muslims had distinct political aspirations and required separate nations. As a result, he led the Muslim League and championed the two nations theory, asserting that Hindus and Muslims could not coexist in the same state. This led to the creation of Pakistan, with Jinnah becoming its first Governor General. His stance and actions marked him as a prominent figure in the creation of a separate Muslim state.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On September 11, 2001, a devastating terrorist attack known as 9/11 was carried out on the World Trade Center in New York City. Orchestrated by the terrorist organization Al-Qaeda and its leader Osama bin Laden, the attack involved 19 terrorists hijacking 4 commercial airplanes. American Airlines Flight 11 crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center at 8:46 a.m., followed by the United Airlines Flight 175 crashing into the South Tower at 9:03 a.m. American Airlines Flight 77 crashed into the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. at 9:37 a.m. United Airlines Flight 93 intended to target either the US Capitol or the White House, was diverted by passengers and crashed in Pennsylvania at 10:03 am. The attacks resulted in the deaths of approximately 3,000 people. National Forest Martyrs Day is observed on September 11 to honor the sacrifices of those in the Indian Forest Services and wildlife conservation who have died protecting natural resources and wildlife. Established in 2013, the day commemorates the martyrdom of 363 members of the Bishnoi community in Khejadli village, Rajasthan in 1730. Maharaja Ajit Singh of Jodhpur had ordered the cutting of revered Khejadi trees for palace construction. Led by Amrita Devi, the Bishnoi opposed the destruction, and despite their resistance, 363 members, including Amrita Devi and her children, were killed while hugging the trees to prevent their removal.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.